Yeah, viewers all over the world. Egwe nụrụ anyị ji bata abụ egwu si na ngalaba n'afọ gbasara mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo, Ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple a na-akpọ Nkwa group led by me. We have all the right. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, call me Ogbuefi Ezeana, Ugochitubelu. I'm an ancient high priest. I'm only seen to Ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afọ gbaa family emebikwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Today, n'oge awa nke isiokwu anyị bụ the shadow self. Yes, anyị bịa ka anyị kọwalụ gị maka ụdịrị gị nwa a dị n'ime gị nke ọ bụ sọ gị nwa ma n'ime onwe gị, and also gụnwa ga-confront ya. Ihe o menyere bụ ụdị gị dị n'ime gị, and ị maara ya, ị maara onwe gị, ị mara ebe ị na-eri mperi, mmadụ ndị ọzọ amara ya. Ihe ọ pụtara bụ na eziokwu ị gwara onwe gị bụ ihe ga-enyere gị aka ka ị wee confront ebe ị na-eri mperi, ka ị wee nwee ike wee merie ya bụ ebe anwụ izuru oke, ka ị wee nwee ike kwụrụ n'ụkwụ gị n'abụ. Because it's only by defeating that your shadow self, eziokwu ị gwara onwe gị, ka ị nwee ike ịtọ gị n'agbụ, ị wee ike move from point A to point B. Ihe ndị a bụ ihe anyị ga-edeba anya n'ụbọchị taa. But before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. We are seeing the month of April. Our monthly rituals is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. Distance barrier. Down the temple. I am mandatory to Ajay category 4 years. We have massive testimonies. But as you all know, we don't share testimonies on social media. I cannot draw necessarily hide my cabin. But I can tell you that you yes, nation to go in my temple, to go for who be opening in this all over the world. The friends of the temple, the children of the temple, the members of Eze-Ana, Restoration Evangelical Mission, and consecrated group. We have 4 department groups in the temple. Yes. The last day of the month, I got to cut away better on a one. Two ajadi chiche na temple, two ajadi chiche to entities of powers. Jene eventually Ogbuefi Mesaraka. One day to walk aja makanaja kare logu. So one day to so like he gave me a chat na WhatsApp. Before we 3 prayer requests I get an altar. Then he make token donation to the account number. Makegi hat and egi saraka. My WhatsApp number is on your screen. Yes. 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 871. Now, let's proceed. The shadow self is the topic for today. And I'm here to tell you that consciousness is when you are awakened. That's your inner self. That your inner self is only you that knows about it. The hidden you. That's your inner self that is hidden you. Those aspects of you that is only known to you, people might not even see it. That is only you that knows it. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ nwere ike inwegasịa ihe ị na-eme n'azụ mmadụ amaghị, mana gị onwe gị maara ya. Ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ enwego so many character na-eri ha nri n'ahụ, bugoro part and parcel of them, and they can only move from point A to point B. They can only strive to the light. They can only move to higher vibrations by defeating that particular thing that is a burden to you, and defeating that particular thing that is hidden in you, that character that is only known by you. That is the only way he get when we can get that class. Yes. That Tedema, no one ya will be saying very. I will mention few. O nwere ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ gị nwa n'onwe gị maara ya maka na eziokwu ị gwara onwe gị bụ nke bịa. That thing, o nwere ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ, their problem in life is anger. They have anger issue. They have anger issue. And I can tell you, it can never move to the greater vibrations, greater height, if you don't defeat that anger. Makane with spirit not behind anger. And that spirit is not behind anger is not a positive one. Anger have caused a lot of problems in our lives and society. You must defeat that spirit of anger, because that is one of the challenges, and that is one of the reasons where you are here. Your imperfection, your downside, is only you that knows it, and it's only you that can defend it. It's only you that can defeat it. Any other person can actually advise you. What your spiritualist can actually do, or your mentor, your spiritual director can actually do, is to direct you, to advise you, to talk to you. But whether you will change and turn a new leaf is your entire business. As I'm talking to you, I might not know exactly your problem. Even if I know your problem and talk to you, it's only left for you to accept it and decide to turn a new leaf, by making use of that my advice. So everything is still lies on you to make a difference. That's your inner you, that's your shadow self. That place you are lacking behind, that is only you that knows about it. That anger issue you have, that masturbation that is eating you up, and those downside that have turned to plague, those downside that whenever you commit them, you know that this is imperfection. That masturbation that have eaten you up, and with the spirit not behind it. And that the spirit is, the primary purpose of that spirit is to destroy you. I can tell you that missing words based on evidence. A lot of people confide in me, but I want to tell you that even among the called ones, among the born again people, I mean genuinely born again, those people that are genuinely decided to make a difference, I can tell you that most of them are still struggling with this spirit of masturbation. Even among the clergy, yes, because they understand that they are role model, that people are looking up to them, and there is a certain act they cannot exhibit in the public. Therefore, they are committing this masturbation inside their respective rooms, and it's a burden, and at a stage it will become an addiction, and that addiction will keep eating you up, spiritually weighing you down. Because if you can tell yourself the gospel truth, you will agree with me that once you are done masturbation, you will feel like you care for the. So it's a bad habit that you must deal with. You must confront that your inner shadow. That is the only way. And if you keep pretending and refuses to deal with those your shadow, inner shadow, then you will never make a difference. I'm telling you the importance of you telling yourself the gospel truth. Call yourself meeting. Tell yourself that you are imperfect. Some of you, the problem you have is lost. Then you must do the needful and create an avenue and have a Marshall plan how you can be able to overcome it. You are the only one that knows that you commit these sins. You are the only one that knows about this imperfection I'm talking about. You must do something about it. Some of you have this spirit of jealousy in you that makes you to always envy whenever you see other people progressing, even among the called ones, even among the clergy. You see this element of jealousy. There are some people that always exhibit that character. Whenever you see another person does something better than you, unknown to you, you become angry. It's a habit, it's a negative habit. It's what part of the hidden you that is only you that knows that this is a challenge to you. And it's only when you confront that your challenge and call a spade, that is the only way you can overcome it. And I can tell you, once you overcome that thing, that habit, that character that is weighing you down, that is the only way you will move to the next level of life. Because in creation, all of us are here with imperfection. And when we are imperfection, and when be the perfect. So that your imperfection is one of the primary reasons why you were allowed to reincarnate in this earth life, in order to deal with that particular shortcoming, that negative part of you. And if you refuse to tell yourself the gospel truth and to defeat that negative part, you will never make a difference. You will never move to the next level. And it's only you that knows that you are committing that thing. It's only you that knows that this is a burden. This is where you have challenges. Other people might not know it. And even if they knew that this is your shortcoming, if they talk to you about that, you might not change unless you call a spade yourself. Unless you talk to yourself, look yourself in the face and tell yourself, look, you must conquer this particular menace that is eating you up. You that is under the influence of my voice knows where you are getting it wrong. You know what you are doing in the secret that any other person might not know. Yes. But in the word of spirit, whatever you do in this secret is in the open before the light. Nothing is hidden before the light. Yes. So it's only if you decide by yourself to tell yourself the gospel truth, and for you to defeat that negative part of you, it's only when you tell yourself the gospel truth that, look, this negative part of me, I must do something about it. I must conquer it. He knows why you're getting it wrong. You know, if you really want to be truthful to yourself, you know that you are in this character of pull him down syndrome. You don't want another person to be greater than you. Whenever you see another person succeeding more than you become angry. You know it, but maybe you decided not to let it out. But inner you know that actually you are a jealous type. Because human mind has so much secret that secret of you that you know, And it's only when you call yourself meeting, you and your forces, call yourself meeting and tell yourself the truth to yourself. I might not be there, but when you set this my lecture, you decide to talk to yourself. Tell yourself that you have wronged, and tell yourself that you really want to make a difference, you want to change. That is the only way you will be able to look yourself, to your inner self, and tell your inner self the gospel truth. That this is a terrible side of you, that will never allow you to move from point A to point B. You know yourself that your problem is that maybe you're a leader. You're a type that always like to embezzle money that is under your care. You're a leader, you're a called one, you're a spiritualist, you're a clergy person. But you keep taking advantage of those people, those vulnerable people. You take advantage of those sheep that you're supposed to take good care of them. The less privileged, the minors, those people that look up to you. So some of you, you know that you are a type that take advantage of those people that come to your chamber, come to your ministry. A man can come to you as his pastor and they complain about his wife's behavior to you. And you will accept and tell the man, don't worry, I will handle the issue. The man will entrust his wife to you. Please talk to my wife. And when that woman comes closer to you for you to counsel her, then you divert from the main reason why the complaint was brought to you at the first place. So you yourself knows what you do in the secret, and that is your shadow self. And usually when you confront your shadow self and turn a new leaf, then you'll be able to defeat that your dark side. And that's the only way you make a difference and move to a higher vibrations. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture and want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 7837 672 or 0813 Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike ka Chineke na-apụghị isi m ụzọ m ga-esi luwo ya. Ihe na ọ mazuru ihe niile, obi m siri ike ka Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwuoke be with you all. May you be protected, may you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Udo dịrị ọnụ.